There's been several misconceptions or concerns by people who have heard about the project we're doing. One that would be the sites will be overrun by invasive plant species. Another that the sites will erode away and wash soil and silt into the streams. And the other would be that will promote a larger deer herd. And I'd put this as evidence that we haven't seen the erosion or the invasive species responses that some people fear. If we pick carefully sites that we feel will be good we'll get good responses, we'll get excellent results. The things we're doing at Sparta are no different than foresters are doing in other parts of the country, and there's a concerted effort, particularly in the Northeast, where a lot of the forests have undergone the same stages of development through settlement, colonization of the states, where they were cleared and grew back all at the same time. Much of the whole Northeast region and Middle Atlantic are facing these same issues, and the things we're proposing to do at Sparta through our forest management efforts are no different than experts throughout the entire region are proposing to do.
You know, one of the things that a lot of the folks concerned about the plan was they were concerned about erosion. And as we showed earlier, with the amount of growth and vegetation that have come up in the cuts and all, erosion's not an issue. In fact, this stream runs clear the whole time. You know, if we had erosion issues, we wind up seeing large deposits of materials, sand and dirt and gravel. You know, we'd see washouts. We'd see, you know, areas that really have taken all that soil from the top and just displaced it all through here with the amount of water coming through. That has not happened at all. In fact, there isn't anything even close to that here. You can see just from the corridor we left a nice buffer along it, and we have a lot of native plants growing right here, and the water is clear as it's running through. And as I stand here and look around, I'm looking at pickle frogs out in the background out there, and again, native plants that are growing in here fine without all those sediment deposits that were supposedly going to be here when you did a cut like we did, you know, 50 feet away. This idea that we're clear cutting everything, we're clear cutting all the woods, it's all got to go, and that's not the case. You know, what we're doing is taking small patches of forest and removing trees, some cases selectively, other ones we're leaving a few over here, we're leaving a few over there. It's not an all-out clear-cut block of forest. And you know, you got to look at the scale. It's small patch cuts. It's not these, you know, this idea that or the stuff you used to see, you know, we're down south out west, where they're completely removing hillsides worth. That's not what we're promoting, that's not what we're doing, and it's misinformation that's getting spread by a lot of people.